just went through a lot of bees, and everything is I'm going on the Ubuntu run this morning. Now I will tell you a little bit more about the Ubuntu run as we go. But everybody is going to get together here again at Checkers at the bottom of York Street, all the bikers. But this Ubuntu run is a national event, and basically it's about the unity of bikers of all classes, all races, and all, call it, denominations, and fast bikes, slow bikes, any type of bikes. So that is what this Ubuntu run is all about.
Excited to join the 2025 Africa Ubuntu Bikers Run, I met up with fellow bikers at Checkers in York Street, George. This incredible annual event, held on the last Sunday of January, celebrates unity and brotherhood across Africa's motorcycling community.
Okay, there everybody is on their way. All type of bikers.
Established in 2016, it's grown to attract riders of all races and backgrounds, reflecting the spirit of Ubuntu. I am because we are.
I lost some footage on my one camera. I had to clean the card. The card was full. We're approaching Outeniqua Pass. I'm not sure how many bikers there is, but there's a lot of bikers. Look how beautiful this Outeniqua Mountains is. Like I said, I'm at the moment busy riding over the Outeniqua Pass.
Our journey began over the stunning Outeniqua Pass, with bikes of every make and riders of all ages sharing the road.
There on my right hand side, there you can see George. There's one thing that you always need to do when you're when you're filming your bike rides, and that is cleaning your cards before you start.
On the way to Oudtshoorn, I suddenly rode through a swarm of bees.
I'm trying to feel if there's any sting, but I just went through a lot of bees, and everything is oozing and splatty.
Thankfully, I didn't get stung, but my visor and windscreen were sticky with what looked like honey.
Yeah, I don't feel anything yet. Luckily, it doesn't feel like it went into any area of importance. Sherbet. I tell you now, that wasn't fun. The bee juices is oozing off my helmet. Okay, now I'm going into Oudtshoorn.
At Pick n Pay in Oudtshoorn, we gathered before riding the scenic Robinson Pass to Mossel Bay.
There's everybody. That is the community of the brotherhood of bikers. Look at that. The thing is sitting on my helmet, eating its friends. Look at that. My bike was clean. Look at that. I'm not sure how many bikers there are here, but they are still coming in. It is a lot. Look at all these bikes. There's some big bike coming. Okay, it's time to go to Mossel Bay. It is so hot. With this jacket, I'm wet with sweat here.
Unfortunately, just outside Mossel Bay, a car caused the biker to swerve and fall. Thankfully, the rider wasn't seriously hurt, though the driver sped off.
Did it slip or?
What? On the, I did slip.
Are you okay? Are you fine?
fucking road tax again. They got all the road tax now.
Everybody's here at salt and pepper, whatever. There's all the bikes. There's some salt and pepper or something like this. There's all the Daar's die kou dit manne!
Hey, Weasel!
Die kou dit!
I'm shaking, baby.
Ja, ja. We are here at the Lions Club at the moment, and we're going to order something refreshing and something to drink.
Finally, we returned to George reflecting at the Lions Club. After 200 unforgettable kilometers, a cold drink and a hot dog hit the spot on this hot day. The Africa Ubuntu Bikers Run is a powerful reminder of the camaraderie among bikers and the shared passion that brings us together. Today was a run to remember, celebrating the best of biking and Ubuntu in action.